So here we are with the customer's realistic 1005, the one that had a lot of dry joints and a Duff crystal filter and cracked boardways had come away from the structure, no doubt having been dropped at some point in its life. So hopefully Mr. Chippie is out there. We're on usual channel 31. For those of you who don't know, if I just press the illuminate button on this, the bar graph is battery, it's not a signal meter, and then on transmit it becomes a relative RF meter. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, go ahead.
Okay, are you ready?
Yep, roger that, just coming up to the end of the line.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane. It's controls, it's on off volume and it's squelch and it's a weird way round. Had this come with a extension microphone, I would have used that. It's not a speaker mic, it's a microphone only which plugs in there, but it means that you can shove this on your seat, on its batteries, plugged into your car's roof aerial, and use it as a mobile set quite legally.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Roger. Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you coming through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill to go down in towards Wilson.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Chippie, now going round Scratchy Corner to Wilson. Over.
Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner, and this radio is doing somewhere around just under 3.5 watts over.
Roger.
Though it says 4 watts on the top, it's a 3.5 watt radio. It's like rounding up, isn't it? 3.5. You know, you buy a car with a 1256 engine and it's a 1300.
Right, we're now going over Wilson Level Crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Right, we're now passing the Kelvin.
Roger, got you going over the Kelby turn. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, have you forgotten about me? You did, didn't you? Roger, got you going over Rawsby level crossing, also known as Grayleys level crossing, and that concludes the test. Thank you. 10-10. Okay, so that worked just like a, especially if the plug wasn't coming out, that works just as a normal mobile will. The reason they went for 3.5 watts is there's no difference in range between 4 watts and 3.5 watts, but there's a big difference in battery consumption. So if I look at my ammeter on my power meter, it's 1 amp, and if we were doing 4 watts, well, it would probably be something like 1.2 amps. So you'd be lucky to get another few feet range. And I always say it's like this with decibels, because that's how it works. 10 times, we've got to square the power to double the range, something like that. So if you had it like a record player amplifier, and you're listening to your music on a 4 watt amplifier, if you change that amplifier for a 3.5 watt amplifier, it wouldn't actually make any difference. So your next difference would be at 30 or 40 watts. Let's go to the base station and we'll listen to it on that internal microphone.
Tango 21 testing the customer's realistic TRC1005 from 1983. which at one time cost £139.99, into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 12345, 54321, and thanks for watching.